Yes, good morning once again. Now today we are handling practical 6 on word processing, and the program we are using is Microsoft Word. So practical 6 is about headers, footers, and page numbers. So the first thing you'll be told to open a new blank document and type my report as the title. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, to open a new blank document, you go to the left bottom corner and you click the start. So you click start, then you type word. Once you type word, you'll see the word app installed in your computer will pop up, whichever version you are using, isn't it? Then you click on it to open. Once it opens, you can maximize, click on blank document. Are we together? So we have opened a new blank document. Having opened a new blank document, on the same number you've been told to type my report as the title. Are we together?
Yes.
So I go to the blank document and I type my report. If there's a spelling mistake, I can backspace to remove that. My report. Then I press enter to move to the next line. Are we together? The reason why I'm pressing enter to move to the next so that I don't keep the same formatting tools I've used in that particular line, isn't it? Now, after I've done the text entry, I now do the text editing to remove any spelling mistake. Of course, my report, there's no spelling mistake, isn't it? The next thing I do text formatting, and all that we did in practical 1. So what I come and do, I highlight the sentence or part of the sentence or the word I want to format. But you see, my report is a one line, isn't it? So if I want to highlight one line, I simply go outside the margin here. Are you seeing the pointer is on the same line as my word outside the margin? Then I click. You will see it highlighting the whole line. Are you seeing it as highlighted the whole line? If you don't want to do, I can click anywhere to undo. If you don't want that procedure, you simply take the cursor in front of M here. When it changes into that eye-like symbol, you hold. Meaning you go to the left click button, you press it and hold. You don't leave. Are you seeing that? Then you move in the direction until you highlight all the words you want, then you unhold. Are we together? Having done that, you go under home in the menu bar. You go under home in the menu bar. So menu bar, we have files, home, insert, design. So when you click on the toolbar for home will pop up. And in the second column here, written fonts, these are the tools for text formatting. And the first formatting for you to format a title, maybe you will need it to be bolded. So you click the B icon to bold it. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
Maybe you wanted that title to be underlined. So you click the U icon under text formatting features to underline it, isn't it? And if you look at that my report, M is capital, R is capital, isn't it? Meaning the case. You've capitalized each case. So you go to a text formatting tool used for capitalizing each case. So you can see this is the text formatting tool. So when I click the drop down, you can put it in form of a sentence case, everything. You can select uppercase. Have you seen everything I've gone to uppercase? You can choose everything to be lowercase. Have you seen everything is lowercase? You can choose capitalize each case. Have you seen M and R? Each case has been capitalized. And that is exactly what we have here, because you can see it was bolded and each case is capitalized, isn't it? So the best way of making a title of a document is maybe doing a paragraph formatting and making a center alignment, isn't it? Paragraph formatting, alignments, and like spacing we did in practice 2. Are we together? So under the same home, this is the toolbar for home. You go under the paragraph formatting tools, and these are the icons for alignment. Control plus L for left alignment, Control plus E for center alignment, Control plus R for right alignment, Control plus J for justified. But we want center alignment to make our title in the center. Are we together? So we've actually done text entry and formatting, and we've created our title. We've opened a new document and we've created the title, My Report. Are we together? Then you just go with the cursor and you click on the next line, because you had already created that next line. Are you now seeing the importance why you press enter to create the next line before formatting the title? Very good. Then we move to number 2. Add at least 3 paragraphs of dummy text. Type equal to lorem, then inside the bracket 3. Now we go to our Microsoft Word and we type that function. When you want to type equal sign, you go and press equal sign. It is the default, isn't it? Then we enter lorem. For you to get an opening bracket, you hold shift. You hold shift, then you press number 9, open bracket, isn't it? When I put 3, it means I'm going to have 3 paragraphs. Then I hold shift and I press 0 to change that key function into what? Into closing bracket, isn't it? Then you press enter. Have you seen it has created 3 dummy paragraphs? That is a very powerful function in Microsoft Word called the lorem ipsum. It is used to create dummy paragraphs if in case you want to do styling and formatting, you want to learn. Are you seeing that? If you start reading it, you'll actually realize that you cannot even understand the meaning of those words. So you are not distracted from the paragraphs which have been created, isn't it? Very good. After using that powerful engine, the lorem ipsum, we move to the next. Number 3. You've been told to insert a header that shows your name hyphen practical 6, isn't it? Now, for you to insert a header, there are different ways of inserting a header, but the best way is you go to where the header is on top of the page, isn't it? And you double click. Are you seeing the header has opened itself? When you want to go inside the page, you go back inside the page and you double click. Are you seeing you are back inside the page? Another way of inserting a header, you can go to insert, isn't it? Then under insert, you can see the 4 column for header and footer and page numbering, isn't it? Then you go under header here. You open that drop down box for header, then you choose edit header, if in case you want to enter your own text. Are we together? So there are 2 different ways of actually opening the header. You can just double click on top there for it to open, isn't it? Or you go in insert and you go under headers, isn't it? So in our header, we have been told to type your name, then hyphen, then practical 6. So we go to the header, we type my name. If my name is Peter, I will type Peter, isn't it? Then I create space, then I type hyphen. Then I create space, then I write practical 6. Now after doing the text entry, the next thing is text formatting. Is text formatting. And you only format what you've highlighted, what you've selected, isn't it? So for me to select this Peter hyphen practical 6, I come and put, it is 1 line, isn't it? So I can take the cursor outside the margin and click along that line. Are you seeing everything has been selected? I can click anywhere to unselect. The other way is to take the cursor in front of P. When you see that eye-like symbol, you hold, meaning you go to the left click button, you press it and you don't leave. Are you seeing that? Then you move in that direction you want to select until you select all the text. Then you unhold. Have you seen up and held? Then after doing that, you go under home where we have the text formatting tools, isn't it? And when you check on the title, it is bolded, isn't it? And each case has been capitalized. Are you seeing Y is capital, N is capital, P is capital? Are we together? So we go and do appropriate text formatting for that header. We go under home, then these are the text formatting tools, isn't it? Then when I want to bold, I click the B icon under the text formatting tools, isn't it? Yes. Or just Control B for the shortcuts, which we dealt with in practical 1. Are we together? Then I want to capitalize each case, meaning I'm going to the change case icon under text formatting, isn't it? And this for the change case. So when I click the drop down, I can make everything uppercase. Are you seeing everything I've gone uppercase? I go to change case, I can make everything lowercase. Have you seen everything has gone to lowercase? I go to change case, I capitalize each case. Have you seen each case has been capitalized? So after that, maybe I want my header, Peter hyphen practical 6 to be in the center. So alignment is under paragraph formatting. So that line is treated as a paragraph as well, isn't it? So I go under the paragraph formatting tools, you go to home, then you come to paragraph formatting tools, isn't it? Then this is the icon for left alignment, icon for center alignment, icon for right alignment, icon for justified. You'll see how justified work when you have long paragraphs, okay? But we want center alignment so that we put our header title in the what? In the center. Are we together? Having done so, number 4, you'll be told insert a footer that shows the current date. You insert a footer that shows the current date. So I can click, double click anywhere inside the document to remove the header, isn't it? When I want the footer, I go to the footer of the document. It's down here at the end of the document, isn't it? And I double click on it. Are you seeing I'm on the footer? And on the footer, I can just double click to select footer. When I come back inside the document, I double click, it has undone the footer, isn't it? Or I can simply go to insert, then I come to the column of headers and footers, then I come under footers here, I click the drop down box for footer, isn't it? Then I go to edit footer because I want to enter my own footer, isn't it? Yes. I click on edit footer, and when you are in the footer, you can see a new column has popped up in the menu bar having footer and header, isn't it? And it has their toolbar here, isn't it? So when you click under footer and header here, when you are already in the footer, you will see there is an icon, a command for date and time. Are you seeing it is there? You click on it, then you choose the format you want, because all this will be giving you the current date according to the date given in your laptop. Are you seeing that? So you just choose the current format you want. I want 5/13/2026, or I want to write it as Wednesday, May 13th, 2026. Any format you need is what you choose from. Are you seeing that? So let's say, for instance, I wanted May 13th, 2026. Are you seeing I choose that? Then I press OK. Are you seeing the date has been inserted in the footer? Yes. So I click back inside the document to remove the footer. Are we together? Yes. Having done that, you move back number 5, isn't it? Insert page numbers at the bottom center of each page. Are we together? Yes. So when we go back to our document, we want to insert page numbers at the bottom center of each page, at the bottom center of each page. So we will go to insert, isn't it? Then we go to where there's headers and footers. You can see there's the page number below them in that same column, isn't it? So I click on page numbers, then inside the top of the page, bottom of the page, on the margins, but they've said at the bottom of the page, isn't it? Which is the footer, isn't it? When I click, you see there are different options here. You can put it here, or I say you can see here the middle of the bottom of the page, isn't it? So you are told this is the center of the bottom of the page. So you choose this option, you click on it. Have you seen the page numbers come on the center of the bottom of the page? Then in front of that page number, you can as well edit the page number, isn't it? So when I click to go back inside my document, you can now see my document, that date and the time I created has been overwritten. Page numbers normally remove anything in the footer, but you can come back and edit the footer and reintroduce it again. Are we together? So we can, for me to get to the footer, see, I can just double click to open the footer. Once I open the footer, I come. Are you seeing here header and footer here? Are we together? I can do editing of the footer by just coming with the cursor and clicking in front of where the date and the time was. Are you seeing it? It is blinking there. And the date has been maintained, isn't it? So when it is blinking here, I go back to the header and footer formatting tools, then I go back to time and date, isn't it? Then I click on it, then I select the format I wanted, May 13, 2026. So are you seeing both date and the page number has been retained? Yes. Are we together? Yes. Then after that, I can click inside and back inside the document. I can as well add more pages so that you see how numbering is taking place, isn't it? So for me to add more pages, see, I can just go to insert, then in the first column you can see, you can add a blank page, isn't it? When I click enter, have you seen page 2 has been added? When I click enter again, are you seeing page 3 has been added? And have you seen the numbering is taking place automatically? Yes. When I click enter on blank page again, are you seeing page 4 has been added? And have you seen the date has been retained there? Yes. Then I just scroll. Are you seeing there's a scroll button in my mouse, isn't it? I can scroll up and down. When I come back to this page 1, I go back to my document. That is number 6. Make sure the page number start at page 1, meaning we are going to edit the page numbers. Are we together? Yes. So we go back to the document, we double click the footer. So where the footer, are you seeing it is blinking in front of 1? Yes. Then I type page, then I create space. Have you seen I've edited page 1? Then I still want to edit this page 1 because you can see it is bolded and piece small letter, isn't it? So what I do, I go and highlight. In front of P, I highlight page 1 like that, isn't it? Then I go to home, text formatting tools, I make it bold, isn't it? Then I go to change case, I put it lowercase because P was lowercase, isn't it? So I just press inside the document. Can you now see the page numbering? Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Are we together? Yes. So the page numberings have been done accordingly. Now, on number 7, you'll be told, add a different first page header. You add a different first page header. And on the first page header, you should say title page. Are we together? So for you to differentiate the first page, see, we scroll to the first page. You go and double click on top of the header. Then you simply go to the insert. When I click, double click inside and back inside the document, isn't it? Or I simply go to insert, then I come to what? To the headers here. But the best way to do it is double click the header, isn't it? So for you to differentiate the first page, when you double click the header and you are on the header, you can see there header and footer column must pop up on the menu bar with this toolbar, isn't it? Then you simply come in this column of options and you check on differentiate first page. Are you seeing first page is now different from the other first pages? Are you seeing this page has still written there, Peter-practical 6? But first page, the cursor is still blinking there, telling you to type what you want to be in the first page of the header, isn't it? So in the first page of the header, they want you to say title page. Are we together? So we go and type title page. Then we, after text entry, we format it, isn't it? To format it, it is a single line. I will just take the pointer on the same line, but towards the end of the margin, then I click, it will select everything. That is one way of selecting, isn't it? Then I go to home, then these are the text formatting tools, isn't it? You can see this text has not been bolded. At the same time, you can see this text, it is capitalized each case, the change case, isn't it? So you see, you move to the change case, you capitalize each case. Have you seen each case has been capitalized? If it is a title, you can do paragraph formatting. You go under paragraph tools in Home and you do center alignment, isn't it? You can even under still text, you can do a different style. Maybe you can use the Times New Roman. You can choose a different font size, maybe font 14, font 16, 18. Are you seeing that? Font 14. Are we together? Then I double click inside the document to come back to the normal document, isn't it? Then number 8, you've been told to save as practical_6_ your name, isn't it? Now to save that, you go to files in the menu bar, then you come and click on save. Are you seeing that? Then you browse the location where you want to save it. Then a window will pop up, then you rename it. Are you seeing? You backspace to undo that, then I put caps lock on, I put capital P, isn't it? Then practical, isn't it? Then I hold shift, I press the hyphen key to change it to underscore, isn't it? Then I type 6, then I hold shift, hyphen key to change to underscore, then I write my name. I put caps lock on to write capital P, I remove caps lock, Peter. Are we together? So practical_6_ Peter. So you don't put .docs because .docs is taken care of by the file type, and you can see the file type here is Word document. So that .docs will add itself automatically. So then after doing that, on the left pane of this window is a location where you want to save it, and it has a scroll bar here. So you hold the scroll bar and you scroll a location. If I want desktop, you click on the desktop. Are you seeing that? And the folders on the desktop will appear on the left pane, and it also has a scroll bar. You hold and scroll, and the folder we've created called ICT Pracs. You click on that ICT plug, then you click to open it. When you open it, you can see practical 1 up to 5 had already been saved inside there, isn't it? Then I just click save. So it means practical 6 has been added to that folder. And on the title bar, you can see our practical has been renamed, practical_6_ Peter. Are we together? That is the end of practical 6. Next time we meet, we'll be dealing with practical 7. Thank you.